Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to customize your YouTube channel. If you see under my channel name, I have a home video playlist channels discussion about. There menu bar, if you missing on your YouTube channel, we will learn how to bring back or customize your channel. But the two ways: first we're gonna go to our desktop computer, then we will move to our cell phone device. So if you notice, I have open my channel, and over here I have only home. I'm missing like a video playlist discussion channel about stuff, like I'm missing whole material. So we will learn how to bring back. For this one, you have to open YouTube and the log in your channel. And once you log in, you will click on your channel name on right corner of the top and click on your channel. Once that page is open, it's gonna look like that, and you're gonna open customize channel. If you read here, it says customize channel. Then as this window, and right hand corner there's a subscribe, and front of subscriber is a setting button. You're gonna click on setting button, and this window will open, or this menu will pop up. Over here you say customize a layer of your channel. What you're gonna do, you're gonna turn off and turn back on. Like the blue bar front of that one, you want to turn off and on. Then you click on save, and then you go to your YouTube channel again and click on my channel. And once you open on my channel, you will see all the other stuff is appeared, like home, window, playlist, channel, discussion, about. So that's the way you can bring back all the stuff on your YouTube channel, or you can customize it on your desktop computer. Now we will be move on our cell phone device, and we will learn same thing, how to customize or bring back the other menu bar next to home video stuff on your cell phone device. Let's move to cell phone. Now we are on a smartphone device screen. If you notice, I have an iPhone, and I have a pointed finger on YouTube app. First we're gonna open YouTube app, and then you have to log in to your YouTube account where you want to customize. I have already logged in. On the right hand corner on the top, you will click on your channel logo name, and then you will click on your channel, and you will see this window. If you notice, I have not customized my channel yet, and there's nothing, not even home, playlist. I'm missing whole menu bar. So to get this one back, we're gonna go back, we're gonna close a YouTube app, and we're gonna go to Google. And in Google and iPhone, I'm opening Safari, and Safari I'm going to search for Google at YouTube dashboard. We have to open YouTube and desktop mode on a cell phone. So once you click on a YouTube dashboard, you will see first option on the top. We're gonna click it. Once it open, you will click YouTube dashboard again, and in this place we have to log in one more time. If you see on the right hand top corner, you click, then you click on sign in, and then you have to fill your YouTube channel information. It's like you need to log into your channel. You need to put your email address and password. I will be skipping this step in my screen recording, and we will go straight to my channel. Now we are already logged into our account, and we're gonna click right hand corner on the top on channel logo once again. And once you clicked, you will see this option, and we're gonna click on your channel. And right hand corner on the top after the search button, there is three dots. We're gonna click on those. Once we click on those, we will see another option, and we're gonna click on desktop over here on the bar. And we're gonna open, I will open Safari. You can open in Google or Chrome, whatever you have available on your smart device. Once we click on Safari open, it will open in this window. And now on the left hand corner, if you see on the top, is YouTube. Left hand corner on the top front of YouTube, there is three lines. You click on those lines, and then we will click on my channel. Next to home, you will click on my channel, and it will take you to on this window, and this window on the right hand corner you will see subscribe, and front of subscribe is like setting logo, and we will click on this setting button. Once you click, and there will be option for channel customize, and you will see I have a gray right now. You're gonna click on to turn on, it's supposed to be blue. Once it's blue, now next step is you're gonna click on a save. We're gonna save whatever we have changed. Once you click on save, now we have already customized our channel. You can close that YouTube desktop mode, and we will go back on our YouTube app, and we will open and see if we have a home, video, playlist, channel, discussion bar, everything back on. So now I'm going to click on our YouTube app. I'm on my channel. I will click on my YouTube logo and then your channel, and now we have everything on top. I have a home, video, playlist, all the options on top. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.